Toastmaster and my dear friends. My name is Shivakumar Patel. Today, I am going to deliver my speech on brand, user, and experience. Friends, gone are the days where companies, professionals used to advertise in magazines and papers. Today, there is a huge difference created between the legacy advertising and today's branding mechanism. With the available social media platform, today it became very easy for any company or professional to build their brand strategy. But it also became very necessary for them to maintain the consistency in their brand through the social channels. The terminology is called as brand reputation management. The companies or professionals who maintain the consistency in their reputation becomes one of the most influential brand in the social world, and it also certainly helps them to maintain the long-term social trust with their consumers. Friends, if you look at any company, to keep innovating and adapting to changing technology and business landscape is equally important than the quality of services and the products they provide to their customers. If you look at Nokia as a mobile company, which became one of the most renowned mobile company in the world, I think it's because of the highly robust and reliable mobile phone products which it provided to its consumers. But eventually, Nokia as a mobile company was unable to sustain and survive. I think it's because of the lack of digital disruption in its products. Friends, iPhone as a brand wouldn't have survived unless it had keep developing and releasing its most promising user experience smartphone products. I think it's because of the improving the touchscreen and the improving the design as well as the inbuilt storage capability, the brand was able to become a market leader, and now nobody can beat its product's capability. Friends, look at the wristwatch industry. Without being digital, the companies are still be able to maintain their brand position and can be able to maintain their sales turnover. I think it's because of the uncompromised design in the products as well as the rich user experience. Most of the influential brands always have the habit of releasing their beta versions to know whether their product is capable enough in user experience or not. I think this strategy helps any company to know whether their product is capable as well as to improve their product versatility as well as attract more users to experience their brand in a free of cost. iPhone is moving one step forward and will be releasing its customized smartphones where it's going to give its users the ability to design their own smartphone and can have their own configuration. AT&T as a telecom provider be able to maintain its leadership position as the most promising cellular telecom network company among its competitors. I think it's because of the uninterrupted network experience to its users as well as its tie-up with smartphone companies in providing the smartphones on an affordable price. Friends, if you look at Instagram as a social media platform, grown exponentially and made millions of users to be its subscribers, I think it's because of the high resolution pixel capability in its photos as well as rich user experience, which made millions of users to enjoy the amazing user experience. This is the way brand and experiences are changing the user behavior. Over to Toastmaster.